Hi gang, Miss Hairbrush here. O Christmas tree, wherefore art thou, Christmas tree? Or something like that. I'm starting out with a green ballpoint pen to draw the outline of my tree, but you can use any color to get started. Now I'm going to add a ribbon wrapped all the way down the tree. See how I did that? You can do it too. Add a little trim here. That's perfect. Draw in some ornaments. Just make little circles all over the tree like so. Then make some even smaller circles. I always think it's nice to add some flowers to my Christmas tree, so I'm going to draw a few of those. They don't have to be perfect. There. Now, what Christmas tree would be complete without some candy canes? So add some of those on. Doop, doop, doop. See, not too hard. Now let's add the tree skirt so it's nice and pretty for the presents. I'm going to use lots of different green watercolor brush pens for the tree. These are watercolor pens, which means they're fun and easy to use, and I'll need a small bowl of water. First, let's use a light green pen and just make strokes all over your tree like this. Just go fast and don't worry about making them just right. We're going to add a lot of strokes in different colors to look like pine needles. Next, let's use a medium green pen and make brushes all over the tree again. But this time, don't do as many as you did with the light green. If your family buys a Christmas tree in December, you might have noticed that there are lots of kinds to choose from. When you go to the store or the tree farm, you might see a white pine that looks like this with long, soft needles, or maybe a blue spruce like this one that has short needles that are almost blue. Or a very popular one is the Fraser fir like this, which has short, dark needles that aren't too sharp. Part of the fun is picking out the tree that you think looks best. Next, do a darker green and do a little less needles than you did last time. And then we'll do a very dark green. Now this very dark green should be used for just a few needles on the tree, and then use it to make the shadows under the ribbon and the ornaments, and at the bottom of the tree where the needles cover up the skirt. For the candy canes, you can make them any color you want, but traditionally they are white with tiny red stripes. See? Easy. I'm going to make my flowers red, like poinsettias, or as Martha says, poinsettias. Go back and color just the middles of the flowers to make them look more real, like they're darker on the inside. Now for the ornaments. You can use any color. Just start coloring a few, then pick a different color and do a few more until you've colored them all. Don't forget the baby ones! Okay, you've colored all your ornaments. Now go back and color just the edges with the same color to make them look like real balls and not just flat circles. See how that works? Okay, time for the ribbon. Boy, there sure are a lot of decorations on this tree. I'm going to make my ribbon red and sparkly. To make it look like sparkles, make the ribbon darkest on the sides and white in the middle. Then add lots of red dots on the white area. Then do the same thing to all the pieces of ribbon, keeping the white area in about the same spot going up and down. See? You can print a free coloring book page of this drawing and all my other drawings by clicking the link in the description below. That coloring book page already has the ribbon and ornaments drawn on, so you can practice making lots of different ribbons and colors on your trees. Glitter here. For the tree skirt, I'm going to make lots and lots of quick swirls. This will make it look like a very nice fabric. So fancy. No one really knows where or why people started using trees at Christmas. But we do know it became very cool and popular when the it girl of the time, Queen Victoria, started to have one each year. As the trees got bigger and bigger, people started putting the presents underneath them to represent God sending the gift of baby Jesus. add in some shading of where there would be shadows with a black pen. See how that ribbon just pops off the page when you add that little bit of shadow underneath? I'll finish up the tree skirt with a little more red shading. And I think I'll add some stripes to the very bottom of this to clean up those extra lines that got in the yellow. If you'd like, you can add some Christmas lights to your Christmas tree. Just draw in the wire like this all the way down. You can kind of follow the line of the ribbon and then go in and put in the little bulbs. And you can make them any color you want. Just mix up the colors. I'm going to use some blue and some pinks and orange and yellow. To have a topper on your Christmas tree. Most people use an angel or the Star of Bethlehem, like we're gonna do. Just make some crisscrosses there, fill it in, and we're gonna shade it with a little bit of orange. Merry Christmas, you wonderful people.
Yo, 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 ho, 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 check the Christmas tree. Done up right, merry and bright, have fun with the family. Yeah.